Hey guys, you know where you get those times where you really want to start on one thing, but you can't start on that one thing until you get some other things out of the way? That's kind of one of these cases here. So we have this jet ski right here that, as I introduced in one of my previous videos, that we're going to be doing an engine rebuild on. And unfortunately, it's taking up a big chunk of space in my garage. And I got to get another project in here and get started on it this weekend. So we're going to get this tore apart and put on a shelf so that we can tackle it later and get this unit out of my garage so we have space for another project to come in. So it's kind of one of those, gotta move one to get another in here because, limited space. So let's get started. All right, let's get started. Hey, there's another clamp down there. Well, that's a pickle to get you. Probably have to undo it in two pieces. I have to undo this clamp. Cool. Obviously, we're going to be replacing all of these hoses, but just so I know where they go, mark them, stick them out of the way here. Ground cable. I'm making an executive decision. All right, so we still have choke cables, throttle cable, we have the fuel return line. And then oil injector line, still need to undo this cable here. We need to undo the dryer line right there. This will be, right. And then it just comes down to the motor mounts. shaft out. All right, so engine is out. We're going to spend some time cleaning it up, spraying it down with some WD-40, preserve it until we can get to it later, bagging up all the bolts and labeling everything, labeling all the hoses and whatnot, and we're going to put it on the shelf and get back to it at another date.